Chur Whanau. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. How are we? Where's my pencil? Someone cutting grass in the background? Yeah, brother. Angry Vikings. Ah, Joshua. Cheer for the sub, brother. Come on, bro. We just started. Shit. Cheer, Joshua, for that. You didn't have to, though, brother. Oh, it's all good just to watch for free. You know, Raw Phoenix, Ian Burr. Thank you very much, you too, for subbing. You didn't have to, though. You can watch for free. Another glorious day. It's all good, eh? Anto Capone, the dumbest Polak, Sith Lord McLovin, and the dumb Polak. Come on, guys. Please don't. Interfy and Chase Hudson. Chase Hudson. Where do you get your ideas? Oh, just from my ancestors, brother. How's everyone been? Feel bad I can't sub. You're all good, brother. Sanechi, keep up the good work, brother. Hey, thank you, brother. You didn't have to sub though, bro. It's all good just to watch. Fires are crazy. Oh, true. Monaster. He's got fires over there. Eru KG. Thank you for the sub. You didn't have to though. And Red Sergeant Cass. This is a great content. Thanks, brother. Didn't have to though, guys. Didn't have to. I really need my pencil. 1 minute. Oh, Jamanalo. Hey, bro. And Nebo subscribed as well. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to. I'll be back soon. I need my pencil. Okay. Kaiju plays. Thank you for the bits, man. You didn't have to. Morning, Fanta. AKA Porn. My name is not Mike. Sloth Mo's Cloudy Friction. Jeez, no bloody ears, you guys. Thank yous for subbing. You didn't have to. Yeah, I see a panda emote. Trying to catch your Broxh doing too, brother. Welcome. Hey, Sergeant Suicide, cheer, brother. How's everyone? Oh, come on. Here's Mr. Covenant again. Fuck. Come on, brother. Sure, Arbiter, how have you been? I hope you've been using your own money to look after yourself, because that sounds much more appealing. But, oh, fuck, that's a lot, eh? Jeez. What in a Maya? Thank you, Arbiter, bro. Honestly, you don't have to, brother. Straight up. Now, there should be 25 thank yous in the chat from the bro, whoever got those subs. Hey Broxh, hey Arbiter, how you been, brother? Eli Brody, Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Okay, Otter, cheer, brother. Ray92X. Thank you for the sub. You didn't have to though, brother. Just come watch. Captain Squizzle. Hey, Hillfrog Frog, thank you for the sub, man. You didn't have to. I just saw the video of you and Auntie, but I have a question. When she said the chat was like the world's koha, I hope they spelled right. What does... So, koha is K-O-H-A. So, a koha... Ah, come on. Kaiju plays. Fucking hell. So, oh, bro, that's way too much, brother. Oh, come on, Sergeant. Can you just come and watch? Fucking hell. So, koha is like a gift. Yeah, that's been playing on my mind since Auntie said it, like the world's koha. Like, she has a point, but then I'm like, what the virus though, Auntie? She's really cool though. Really nice wairua. Hip Hop Pharaoh. Hey, brother. Hey, Thunder. Cheer, brother. Good to see some people saying thank you. The most determined, thank you for the bits, man. You didn't have to do that. No salt needed. Cheer, brother. I didn't start it, Broxh. Man, I woke up this morning because I'm dieting, and I really wanted hot chips and gravy. Real gravy, not the packet one. Hey, kia ora, Ryan. Yeah, bit too thing, bro. What band are you listening to? Oh, this is just Final Fantasy X music, bro. What is that? It's Totara, bro. Hey, cheer, brother Zixi. How's the weather over there? Oh, it doesn't know if it wants to rain or shine, but this is what I was iffy about carving in the open with no shelter. These fellas just need to mow their lawns later, eh? Might draw up some design today. Fruitsy, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Any more WoW Classic streams coming? Bro, I need to figure out how to stream off the stream pack, brother. We'll look into it maybe today or tonight. Might even try and do a bloody classic stream. Because I just started on Yojamba, because Aruga is just too full. Love from Iceland. Hey, Pukin. Dude, brother. Ah. Stop. Bro, the Arbiter out here with his Halo money. What the hell? Bro, what are you up to? You didn't have to do that, brother. Straight up. That's crazy. How's your day? Oh, here we go. Thank you. Oh, nice, Captain Squizzle. Saying thank you to the bro. I better make a like acknowledgement tab to you guys, eh? My day has been pretty good. How about you? Fuck, who even leaf blows their lawn after they finish? We just leave it there. Oh, that's a bit off. Oh well, we'll fix that up as we go along. Yeah, there's a different carving bar. So those other two are finished. I just got to take them back to the owners. I'm just taking my sweet time, to be honest. What do you use to sharpen your wood? Oh, just like a stone. I'll look into investing into a... Come on, bro. Sharpening wheel once I have my own shed, I would say. At the moment I've got nothing, which is fine. I mean, it's working. Flying Mexican gifted a sub. Oh, thank you, brother. You didn't have to, though. This is so calming, it's incredible. Well, as long as you like it. Leaf blower payback. Fun. What's the point of leaf blowing grass when it's windy? Let the wind do it, mate. Just wasting petrol. It's almost like every time he talks, the leaf blower goes off. Hey, Chur Kobe. Smile 23. I like that number. Cheers for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. It's all good just to watch. How am I gonna do this? Chuck one down the middle. So my cousin had her son the other day, I think it was yesterday or the day before, and she named him Odin. I was like, damn! Oh my god, you're famous. Nah, I don't really care about fame, brother. I'm hungry, that's what I am. Damn, that's not gonna work either. Odin, big shoes to fill. Did he even wear shoes? I don't know. Hey JT, how are you doing today? How's check going? Oh, better today, brother. I'm really feeling a bit better today. Just cleaning up this guy as we go along. On the head at the moment. Do you ever think you'll carve anything other than tribal carvings? Nah, not really. That's all I want to do. Death Fighter and Chalon, thank you guys for something you didn't have to do, and the Red Rhino as well. Bloody hell. What make is your light hoodie? I'd love one of those. I actually don't know. It's just from Hellenstein to look warm, so I got it. Would you ever carve a canoe? If the opportunity came by, yeah. But it hasn't, so carrying on. Yeah. Just wondering how to design this nose, eh? And that's why we like you, bro. You don't care about fame, you just want to do this community have this is what we need the most, a place where we chill time. Yeah, thank you, brother. Yeah, yeah. Even people were telling me, bro, you're at the top. Oh, never mind the top. You're at the top of the pyramid to me. Oh, I don't really care about any pyramid and being at the top one. Why not grind at the bottom and make the people at the top look at you with the people? That's what I say. Kinda, what are you carving on? Cody. Hey Broxh, do you have family in Oahu? Nah brother, we're all from Aotearoa. You're not the only one to ask me that, brother, it's all good. What does Zug Zug mean? It's an orc thing. Just zugging all day. You reckon out of all the PMs, Lucinda's the most real? Oh, she's probably the best one. Most PMs, or all PMs that have been a part of this country, didn't give a shit about talking to the people. And she's real. I see a lot of people badmouth they go after the streamer, and I'm like, far out. You haven't just got anything else to do. Max said, alright, cheers brother for the sub. You didn't have to though, brother. Come and watch. Way better. Chisel. Ooh, e hele e ki I kahi me e ai. Jeez, I hope I said that right, brother. Our story unfolds. Thank you for the sub, buddy, the netty. Hey, bro, do you think you'll do a haka Captain Squizzle? It might be coming tomorrow. Oh, next week. Not tomorrow. Ah, Jorsha. Thank you, Jorsha. You don't have to, though, brother. Really don't have to, brother, but thank you. Yeah, so it's Maori Language Week next week, so you never know. Might just do a haka with you guys. Teach you one. Some chubby kid. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Okay, let's man, this water's dry, eh? Real dry. Hey, Brewing, did you end up finding the Bob Ross league? Nah, brother. There's like brown afros here, but they're like patchy as. Unless you don't mind how perfect the mullet is or imperfect it is. Yeah, bro, I was feeling gutted for Faker. He's one of my favourite players. I don't know any of the teams that are going in, like any of them. Oh, I know some of the players that are in these new teams, but all in all, I have no idea who they are. Okay, if you teach us a haka, we have to record ourselves doing it and send it. Yeah, bro, sounds good, Captain Squizzle. We'll teach the meaning too, because you know, it's good to know what you're going to do a haka, where, how it came about. Maybe I can make a haka, so looking forward to that. Yeah, everyone should record themselves when we do it. Seems like it'll be good fun. Do you ever stream games? Oh, when I figure out how to use the bag, bro. You hype for Shadowlands? Yeah, brother, it's gonna be good. See that the next cinematic's out tomorrow, eh? Arden World. Which Hakamate? Yeah, probably. Best to do one that everyone may have seen, eh? Hey Zombie and Sergeant Suicide and Multani, thank you guys. You don't have to do that though. You can watch for free here. I'm leaving now, Shava. Can't catch more streams due to time zone difference. All the best, take care and stay safe. Everyone be seen you. Cheer out, Eli Brody. You have a good sleep, brother. Tick, kia ora, brother. Good to be here, koe. Are you going to stream Shadowlands? Well, if we get fibre fast enough, yeah. I'm all for it. Hey! Morena he margin, or kia ora. Who's this? I just want to make sure I don't miss too much comments. I just woke up. Jeez, it must be nice. Hey Himarjan, I was looking at your Stew the Body. I was actually going to offer her one of my carvings, bro, but because I was just fanboying out over I forgot about it, and I don't think she would have been allowed to take it just with what's going on, because I couldn't even shake her hand or hug her. Okay. Monyeezy, Stevie streams, and Stevie streams again. Oh, thank you, brother. You don't have to do that, bro. Yeah, I finally caught a stream. All love. Cheer, Ross dog. Cheer, brother. What day are you on, Thunder? Oh, come on. Mahi, something me doing. Cheer, brother Quinn. Bloody hell, Sergeant Suicide. Bloody hell. Thank you, bro. Fuck, that's a lot, eh? Bro, do you know how much pairs of socks you could get? You could get those thermal ones that are always warm and they never break when you walk on the concrete with them after a long period of time. Well, thank you, brother. Bye under my bro. Can't believe I'm actually watching the wholesome. Nah, I'm not the wholesome Twitch streamer, but I'm just one of the cuzzies. Just the brother Broxh having a carve in the cold with a rumbling stomach. That's all I am. How much KFC you can get? I can get, or how much can I eat? Well, I used to be able to eat that $50 bucket with all the sides and all that. Yeah, I didn't even have worms either, so yeah. You thought about streaming PS4? Oh, I can now, but I'm only low-res games because my home internet is rubbish. And I don't have an Elgato thingy-majiggy. I haven't even looked into getting it, to be honest. The Miklo, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. A lot of socks, Broxh, but I don't need socks. Hey, so for everyone that, if there's people tuning in from America, is there a Travis Scott burger? Audio Bully, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I got some woolly socks today. Damn, those must be good. Tetsu Kabura, cheer, brother. Angie Biggs, thank you for the sub as well. You didn't have to. Straight up. Wolves living away from me. Jeepim and Jedi Jim. Thank you guys for subbing. You still don't have to, though. You can just come and watch for free. And Poe, thank you for subbing as well. You didn't have to, though. Because you're from Vegas. Yeah, I am. So I've got whakapapa through my Morehu side. But I was raised in Ruatahuna most of my life. That's pretty much in the bush. Watching makes me miss home. Oh, as long as this can be your home for now, brother. Oh, good. Hope you're well though, brother. Much love from Texas. Hey! 'Cause all my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my head in Tennessee. Sorry, sometimes your fellas' names remind me of songs and something that I may have heard over the days. Are you gonna stream tomorrow? If so, when? Probably same time tomorrow. El burrito desnudo and yamikara. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to there. It's all good just to come watch for free. Yeah. This is our home away from home. Nice. That's the main one for me. When you gonna chop a album? Your voice suits that song. This is the song my dad or my grandfather used to jam out a lot. It was that song, Born on a Bayou. What else? 10 Guitars, that was another one. Geez, there's so much. Heartbreak Hotel Room by Elvis. And there was another song. So those are the 5 songs he used to play in this truck all the bloody time. And I pretty much just caught on to it, eh? Do I play any instruments? Nah, I suck, man. I wish I could, though. That's why I hang my head in Tennessee. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip for the stranger. No one had a big man on his hip. What's that for? Eat great emotes. Or just, yeah. I think he's getting like an airbrush and a shoe. Hope the brother's all good too. I'll be here, but I'll be back. I'll be back. Gotta get my food done. All good, bro. All good. Coffee or a beer on me, friend. Cheers from Boston. Hey. Thanks to the brother for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Probably be a coffee, brother. Caramel lattes are pretty nice, eh? A&G, nah, brother, I can't even strum, brother. My koro was trying to teach me when I was young, and I just wanted to go play outside, eh? Regretting it these days, but I mean, I could always learn. Never know, I could try learn on string. Good evening from Norway. Hello, Snedder. El Kuro, thank you very much for gifting. You didn't have to, though. How do you have 1 million and only 1 can chat? I don't know. They have their own lives. They don't need to be here all the time. Yeah. Maybe some of them just, forgot the passwords to their account. I don't know. didn't have to emote went, nah. I'm gonna say it every time. You didn't have to, boy! Hold on, found it. Just try and fix this up. I'm just doing the teeth at the moment. I've got an idea for it feels bad, man. Emma, do you have any siblings? About 11 stepbrothers and 1 sister. I'm new here, what are you making? Hello, brother. So I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, brother, but welcome to the stream. So at the moment, bro, we are just doing a few bits of cleaning here and there. At the moment, I am just making out a section for the teeth. What phone do you have? Galaxy F7? I've had it for 4 years now. Timo Uzumaki. Oh, a bit of a Timo main. Kia ora, bro. New manihiri, but love the mai. Tēnā koe pūhanga. Nā mihi. Oh, who's this anonymous person? Thank you, anonymous person, for that. You didn't have to, though. It's all good just to watch. Happy little carvings. Hey, I see. I always buzz out when I watch Bob Ross's streams when he has that scrapey thing. And he's just like, boom, boom, mountain. Oh, thank you. How do I say that? Go Mercy? Go Mercy? Oh, jeez. Aroha mai. Sorry if I said that wrong. Lucian, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. You got any pets? Nah, man. Our landlord won't let us have pets, which is dink, but oh well. Maybe once we move out of the city or something. One day. So the dogs I like, or that I want, is a Australian Shepherd or a Husky. Mrs. Broxh likes beagles. What the peons say in Warcraft. It's an orc thing. Double. Greetings, brother Broxh from Sydney. Hey! It's really funny last thing. What are you carving? Hey, cheers! Nakaneda. So I'm carving a Poupou, brother. This is like a war panel that goes in our meeting houses. To the brother from Sydney. And at the moment, brother, we're just marking out the section for the teeth. Lurchers are our #1 dog. I have no idea what kind of dog that is, brother. That sounds like an interesting dog. Oh, that's good downloaded, Dad. As long as you like it, do you beat the devil with the chisel? Poor Marty Broxh, it's 1 AM in the UK. Oh, jeez. Great stream, and I'm looking forward to the haka video soon. Cheer, brother. It'll be next week. So we'll learn how to do a haka next week. This is very dry timber. Here it is. Nick Goon and Impact Nero, thank you very much guys for the subs. You didn't have to. Don't you dare, Silver. Bloody egg. I've just seen that too. We're going to learn the haka Higgins, yeah. So it's Maori language week next week. And I just thought, why not teach a haka, eh? Dude, kamate. Probably the most renowned haka we have. Zack Slaps and Happy Egg Roll. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. Can't get over Broxh PM was there and and you did a hair flick. Yeah man, I should chuck that in my bio on Twitter. The guy that did a hair flick for the PM. Real blessing, peace, thank you, and can't wait to see what you bring over. Amita Bob, thank you brother. It's a small carving bro, and hopefully some games here and there in the future. Just so I can play with you guys. Don't summon up in the back. How do I donate? By watching, bro. Thank you, Buff Kenobi. Chew, brother. How are you, my friend? Varnish linseed, just to help soften the grain up. Makes it easier to cut. You could use terps, but damn, they'd probably have a bloody good time upstairs in the head. How's the gaming stream coming? To be honest bro, I haven't even been trying. Usually just carve and just chill with my family. But I'll try and work it out with the bro and the bag dude. I don't want to say their names just in case. Spanky, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to though. It's all good just to watch, my friend. Only person I compete with is Connor. Oh, this guy. Must be really busy with his work, eh? So that's good. He's out competing with each other. I'm from the US, my brother. Thanks for being you, my man. Cheer, Mick. Cheer, my brother. Thank you. Heard today Trump was coming on stream, bro. I won't even let him through the front gate. Or just give him a tray of eggs and go, here, eat yourself. Taika Waititi and Broxh are the two greatest things that come from New Zealand. I don't know. There's been a lot of great things that have come from New Zealand. Taika Waititi, Stephen Adams, Valerie Adams, Pavlova. Yes, I'm going to say it, Pavlova. The All Blacks, Izzy. There's so many. Not me. Yeah, boy. KJ Upper, he's cracking it. What else? Waiting me Donato. You don't have one of those. Pull over for Christmas last year. Oh, true cereal boxer. Big Stephen Adams fan of me. Yeah, me too, brother. Me too. I mean, how can you not, eh? What else is good from NZ? Thunders, Doge emote, Kinners, Pork Bones and Puha, Boiler, Hagi, Sir Peter Jackson, yep, that's a good one. Mahe Drysdale. Heaps. Jonah Lomu, yep, there's another one. Richie McCaw. DC. Ended Bakeries. Oh, you're not wrong there, brother. Sam Neill, yep. Well, see, you guys know. I've heard it so many times in the stream. Haha, Jiggy. It's Besaid Island's theme song. What else have we had? I'm just trying to think of some other thing. Josh685. Every. Hey, there's another staff member here. Hello. Milk Based, thank you very much for the sub. Yeah, pick and save. Jeez, there's so many. Hello, Fred, bro. Yeah, Fade, he's definitely killing it, man. He's doing mean. Love to see it, eh? Love to see it. Posture check. What else is a good ice cream? Why did I think there was ice cream? I thought there was ice cream. What music is it? It's Poseidon. And do you like cake? Carrot cake is probably my favourite. Mates with Izzy. And he watches your stream quite a bit. Oh, does he? Cheer. Cheer to your brother, bro, and for watching. And you too, you're watching right now. I know one of the bros stays with Izzy, Eden. I don't know if your bro knows him. I haven't seen him in a while, but we used to go to the internet cafe quite hard, eh? Like, pretty hard. He used to play, Hon, I believe. Kia ora from Angela, stuck in Melbourne. Oh, stay safe, brother. What's going on over there, my bro? Jeez, even because one of the mods is from there too. Can't help but think about them, eh? Because you just want them to be okay. Now this mouth is way off, so we have to fix that. Shei Fu is another one. House of Shem, LAB. Do you teach word carving? What's that, brother? What do you mean, wood carving? Typo? And apparently Mulan was made here. I just found that out. I was like, oh, too much. King Capisi, yeah, there it is. Oh, what's his name? A young fella on Deadpool. I keep forgetting his name. It's an absolute killer of a song. Yeah, that's my favourite band, brother. Jeez, it's gonna bug me what his name is now. Salty Mountain. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I think you're best streamer ever and I wish you the best from Hawaii. Oh, thank you, man. I'm pretty average. But thank you, brother. Eat animals is wrong. Eating animals is wrong? Sorry? No, not Ryan Reynolds, he's not from here. I keep forgetting the young fella's name. Is it Julian Dennison? Is that him? Kino, forgot his name. How's the Prime Minister doing? She's doing good. For when she was here, she's gone now. That empty space. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. My WoW Retail Horde guild name is Katipo. Oh, true, spider. Yeah, they sound terrible. Yeah, they're like the NZ equivalent to a tarantula. It's not poisonous though. Yeah, that's the name. Oh, yeah. He's a funny fellow, man. He's a really funny dude. I don't know if you'll see this, but thank you so much for helping me when I felt suicidal. Oh, Black Snipes. Oh, Blade Snipes. Oh, yeah, I remember that name. Gee, brother, how you been? Bro, really good to see you here. After that comment, really good to see you here. Yeah, I remember you. I think I was trying to DM you and you turned your DMs off, eh? Oh, touche with that, mate. But good to see you here, brother. Much love, my man. Hope you're well. Infinite Zone Out. Thank you very much for the sub, resub, man. You didn't have to. I'll put those tray of eggs away. Colonial Spew. Hey man, grits on meeting the PM. Much love to you. Cheer, Colonial. Cheer, brother. Okay, they can come out more. Broxh and Jacinda, amazing humans. She's amazing. Not me. I'm just, yeah, me. Semi-fit, semi-big guy that loves to carve and play well. Big love from Argentina. Hey, hola, brother. What does this carving symbolize? At the moment, it's just, it doesn't symbolize anyone in particular because I think someone wants it. But they haven't contacted me yet, whether they want it or not. But this is just a representation of the Poupous that we put in our meeting houses. Now a Poupou is a carved wall panel. 2 Pyro and Cry Triumph. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. Hey, cheer my bro. Kevin PM, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to, brother. Wait, is he in here? It's just here. Skeletor! Cheer, brother. I've just been working a lot every single day. I don't have my DMs off. Just join the Discord. You can DM me. Oh, cool, brother. Damn. I just realized there's more to life than one girl. Cool, brother. That does break. Bro, that's mean to hear, Blade Snipes. Nice, brother. Fuck, that's good. Sorry for swearing, but I have to. Awesome, brother. Just know that there's a place here for you, brother, to come and chill. We have in-depth conversations about food. Sometimes we go deep dive, eh? But most of all, brother, we're all here. We're all one big family. Really good to hear, Blade Snipes. Quizzy R6. Much appreciated for the sub, man. You didn't have to though. Hello from Kentucky. Hello, brother. Nah, just is a bit busy with his money today. Oh, yeah, all good. Yeah, I seen his things today, brother, and I was a bit worried. Not sure if it was another recent one or the one we were talking about before. I remember him saying he was too busy. You're the only person that deserves my support. It's up to you though. Just remember. Do you remember the 25th time in September? Love it chasing the clouds away. My heart is singing in a teary road. Hello from Japan. Hey, the Netflix Explorer. Anyone from Victoria? Hey, hello Jerry Milk. How are you, brother? As we dance through the night, remember, as we're chasing the clouds away. Man, I would love to play some Earth, Wind and Fire, eh? I added you on Discord. Jibba, I'll add you on. Broxh karaoke. Yeah, I'm keen to do a karaoke stream. I don't think it would sound too good through a headset, so we gotta get a, what is it? A mic. I seen one yesterday in town. You are goated. True, brother. We're all a bit worried. Yeah, hard, bro. Was thinking about him last night when I was playing Warcraft 3. Yeah, so part of the reason why I was late to stream today is because I was playing Warcraft 3 as well, Whanau. So, little story about it. Hey, Twitch Sings is going away. Oh, is it? That didn't last long. But can you still sing on Twitch? So, yeah, so what got me into WoW was the Warcraft demo. And, bro, I was just having some nostalgia playing the Warcraft 3 full game for the first time. Yeah, you can sing still. Oh, that's good. Nope, you'll get striked. Actual, like straight up. So if you do a karaoke stream, does it count as like DMCA if you get struck? I don't know if Infernex is here. It might be. He might be able to confirm for us. That's pretty lame. Do you have a favourite streamer? I don't really have one favourite streamer above all. There's like a few that I enjoy watching. If you want me to name some, they mute your audio after. But it's still the clips, eh? That'll get you pinged because you can't mute clips. Even the GTA radio is DMCA. God damn. Who do you enjoy watching? So there's a few in the chat right now. So Thunder Punch is one. Just for kicks when he's on. He's busy today. Solid Kifs, Squid in HD. Panda TV, Moda TV, and Nick TV. I think that's the most times I've said TV in one line. Rascal, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. Hey, cheers, Spell. Jeez, your kai or whatever you're cooking was a bit dodgy, bro. Where did you find those from? Yeah, DMCA, man, it's really sucks, but oh well. Gotta find the way to work around it. Puppies or kittens? Puppies, bro, not even hard. See, I can't even play Pavarotti. Probably get pinged for that too. Oh, we gotta redeem. I better go and get my water. Hold on. let the tears flow. Sing as we dance through the night. Remember, I was chasing the clouds away. Okay, to the bro. Cheers. Wai Maori. Bloody good feeling when you feel water rush through your beard. Okay, just had a water. Now back to our carving. Trying to cut these eyes out. There we go. What is your favourite carving? Pretty much every single one I've done, brother. I've got to upload those two onto the Insta as well. Big cabbage on Instagram lately. How do you pronounce? It's far. So WH is as a F for us. So far. So you can say FAR, far, Kai. So how you guys pronounce Kai, Kai. And RO, so Whakairo, so you slightly roll your R, Whakairo, raw. So it means carving or to carve. What if this broke or you destroy it? Oh, I would never destroy a carving. I don't spook out at all when I carve. To be honest, bro, we don't make mistakes here. Make adjustments. There's many different types of methods to fix boo-boos on your carvings. I'm unsure why you couldn't DM me because I leave DM. Yeah, it wouldn't let me DM before, but it's all good. You're here now, brother. That's the main thing. Jazzles, man, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. In German word for trained. Oh, hey. Oh, it's just Orc language. It's just something people who play Orc Warrior say on WoW. I have life here in New Zealand for almost 2 years and want to learn te reo Maori. Do you have any tips on how to pronounce things because I struggle? Supits Marcus, I can help you. But I mean, I'm no bloody real professional like the new Maori that's coming out these days is different to what I've been taught at the marae. Hi. So boys, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. What it is at the end? Is it for garden or deco? Oh, deco? Someone asked me for it, but they haven't messaged me, so I don't know if they've been bobbed the build-ups or what. Do you have any pets? Nah, man, not allowed. Yeah, I seen Spellbreak. There's no servers close to us though, brother. That's the dumb thing. I hear it's what every iPad and iPhone users playing now that they took Fortnite off. Ooh, it's getting nippy. Might need my bloody chicken. Not allowed, yeah, because ooh, hold on, just got a message from Kifs. Yeah, remember you saying you've been jamming here and there and wanted to ask you to be a part of the squad and get a phone call. Oh, I'm not that good at Fortnite, brother. Okay. And my internet's not that great too. Okay, what I'll do. So I just got asked to squad up with the bro. With the bro Kifs. I'm gonna try. And Phoenix, are you still here? Got a question about the bag. You watch Avatar? Yeah, man. I'm not that old. I watched it as a kid. Supreme pleasure. Oh my. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to do that. Broxh, you raided Joy Scott a while back and really loving the streams. Thanks for sending us there. Hey! I work too, brother. Yeah, bro, he's got some good streams, eh? And, bro, his painting is next level as well. Yeah, good to see Blade Snipes here. Nice, brother. On you, mate. Why this would show me his tongue? What? What? Do you like any sports? Yeah, rugby. Thank God you're a wholesome man. Oh, you're a Zug Zug. Yes I am. Do you play Hearthstone at all? Nah, but I'm rubbish at Hearthstone, eh? Like real rubbish. How long have you not cut your hair for? 2014, brother. But I've left it longer than that. Like way longer. That'll do for now. So the teeth ready. Do you prefer Messi or Ronaldo? What's this for? Sounds like Broxh is in a Zelda game. Thunderheader. Congrats on meeting the PM. The best PM in the world. Hey, thanks, brother. Yeah, she's cool, man. What's ever do you mean playing well? Frostmourne, brother. But I'm moving my Horde mates to Bath. Because I still want to play Horde even though they're not the dominated faction in OCE, which is kind of dumb. But Lucky Pandas can go to the alliance, eh? Kiris, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to. My favourite food would have to be sushi. That's all I want for my birthday. Sushi and donut cake, if she's listening. We might need Auntie Jacinda email. I don't know, I'll ask her first. I have an idea for soccer players. Sorry brother, I don't watch soccer. John Lego. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Caster, you are correct, brother. Just zugging all day, bro. Yeah, I was gonna level up another warrior in classic because I've moved servers. Because Arugol's just too full, eh? But I might change it up and do a shaman or a hunter. I don't know, maybe I'll play warrior again. Doesn't get more horde than that. Dr. Himza, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to. How did I get into woodcarving? I was introduced to me by my uncle at the age of 12 back in primary school. Broxh is kind of like a non-racist Waka. Wait, was Waka racist in the game? I don't remember that. Joel Jean. So this particular wood, brother, is Cody. So it's one of the most famous timber we have. So the Cody Kingdom is located up north. where it grows majority of the time. So this is a soft to medium, maybe, and hardness, if you would say. Whakairo. Oh yes, that's the squiggly eye people, eh? Riku. Now I remember. So is that where they stole the Renegon from? The Albed? Conspiracy! Nope. Hey, Smokey. Hey, Chur Fanta. I'll probably get onto some more emails and fixing a few others soon. All good, Thunder. No rush. I still gotta send some through for Panda. For the Panda ones. I got an idea for a Feels Bad Man emote too. Probably gonna be Zulian Tiger because I can't get it. Yeah, I know, Papa Squid. I don't plan on going up north anytime soon, though. Boomertron, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Yeah, not planning on going anywhere out there yet, brother. New World, Fresh Choice, or Pick and Save? I don't know. Why not apply for all three, and whoever gets back to you first, go to that one. Custard Donut. Oh, don't tease me. Talking dirty to me, Fanta. Black Capsicum. Okay, thanks for the bits, bro. Finally meeting the infamous nice guy. Oh, I'm not the infamous nice guy. What's your favourite wood to work with? Any native timber, brother. Anyone. Whatever's at my disposal. Oh, you would, Fanta. You would. Okay. I haven't brushed my hair, so let me just go and get a brush and I'll brush my hair. Alright, here we go. Here we go. That hair in the chat, please. Good morning. Look like I just woke up. Holy hiccup. Undirectional. Thank you for the sub button. Can you see me? Is this all good? Jerry milking the pants. Fuck's sake. Man, I should play Alpha and Seeker's theme song, eh? But I might get DMCA'd. Okay, here flick, here we go. Can you see me all good? Like, is this a good view? Get it burned. Okay, so I'm guessing this view is all good, so shall I flick away? I whip my hand back and forth. Hell no, am I doing it to that? Hell no. Okay, so we'll get 5 in. Get 5 in. No, the biggest mistake I've ever made since being on Twitch, not brushing my hair the day the PM came. Biggest mistake I've ever made. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here's the big one. There's the Auntie Jacinda special. Here we go. Oh, I can smell the hair food. Okay, time to bun the hair up. Put some slip knot on. Okay, let me tie my hair. So I don't really like to. I know people have been asking how I tie my hair up. They'll be like, what's the process for tying your hair up? Like, use a rubber band. Do you want to know who has a good man bun? Broxh O'Hearn. Okay, there you go, fans. I should really draw up some OHS rules for hair flicks. Okay, back to it, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like an absolute Viking. I think we have ties, but I'd rather ask my grandmother from my dad's side first. You need to do a Dove Brazil hair commercial. Watch out, ladies, I'm coming for those shampoo hair commercials. Auntie Head and Shoulders lady. And then my next one, we will conquer Avino and Tresemme. Where can I see the previous work of art? On Instagram. I'm going to upload the 2 that we did later today. The New Zealander. It's hard to be cool. Ever done a woodcut print? Geez, I don't know what that is, brother. Yeah, better here than I ever have. Just, yeah, wash it, that's all I say. Auntie Head and Shoulders. I don't know her name, so I just call her that. Just shaved it all off. Oh, damn. As long as it's not winter for you, brother. Cold. Fazita. Thanks for the good vibes. Hey. Thanks for that, man. You didn't have to. Maybe you can give some of your hair to Esmond Gold. Oh, sad. Yeah, I know everyone gives him shit for his hairline, but oh well. I probably never will, to be honest. You like the Jamaican? Me love the herbal. Me want me money back. It's hard for you to get carvings done while you follow them. Oh no, I don't mind it at all. Oh, Silver. Cheer, brother, how are you? Cheers for that, man. You didn't have to, though. I think I need to drink some more water. I'm gonna go have a drink of water. Oh, junkie man. Matarikia. Public holiday for me. Would you ever do a troll-inspired carving? I mean, they're pretty simple to do, eh? As opposed to anything else. Because it's pretty, like, square or blocky, however. I could try, but yeah, this will be my main focus. I mean, if everyone wants to see it, because that's an easy carving to do. As opposed to, like, carving a character of any sort. I reckon I could execute a pretty damn good Voltorb. Hi Later! I see you're still wearing Jordans to work. Chat, should I just draw a bit of a tick on the old gumboot? Chur JT, I'll send you through some other variations of masks too. I sent one on the thing last night, but that was just trying to get familiar with the iPad. Gee, the red band's a classic. Beach J's any day, yeah, Jeremy. Kuro, thank you very much for gifting us up. You didn't have to though. Let me just swipe the water out of my beard. Broxh branded gumboots. Oh, I don't know, brother. Cheers from Wisconsin. Hey, brother. Pancake of Fear. Is it summer or winter there? We're in spring now. I really want to listen to Earth, Wind and Fire. Hair flick as the logo. It'll be like the silhouette of my face and the hair will be the highlight. Bit like that Thin Lizzy logo, but it'll have a beard too. How much time did you spend on a piece like that? This one? Oh jeez, like probably 4 hours. Oh, pardon me. I see one of my mains is finally getting the skin too, or on. Shout out Scream. Yeah, no doubt my favourite streamer. I found out about you in the video soon. Expectation. My birthday. Oh, you're a September baby. Austin Tom. You better join tomorrow. I'm a September baby as well. Good month, eh? Good month. That would take me a year. Nah, no, it wouldn't. What's poppin', man? Gee, brother, just the guys is here, but other than that, nothing much. Do you know Kafaru? Yep, I know Kafaru. He was in the intake with one of my tutors. Poor Faker got killed yesterday. Yeah, they not going to Worlds this year. Kinda sucks, but oh well. I feel like that everyone knows SKT's playstyle now. Did you say yes? No, I'll send you through some pictures of some masks, brother JT. I sent some on the art section last night, but that was just to get more familiar with the iPad again. Okay, let's turn this bugger around there. Cheers from the south of Brazil. Hey, found out about you by a friend. I watch your streams every day. Keep it up, brother. Hey, thanks, brother. The heart is the strongest muscle. Does that answer your question? You play it? I don't play it that much, brother, just because of how people are there. Toxic AF. Your teammate gives away first bullet. Oh, GG, we lost. The player has disconnected. A player has reconnected. Oh, he's a trash. A player has disconnected. Hey bro, you're doing well. Congrats on the world leader visit. You came across achievement list. Yeah, bearded banjo for bloody achievement for me. But it was just cool to talk to you. Eh? Really cool to talk to you. I don't play LOL. I play Garen only. Why I can have fun. Spitting fix. I'm gonna get your account banned. My mother works for Riot. My dad works for Riot. Oh, true. Man, I've had so many of those. I'm getting your account banned. My parents work at Riot Games. I was like, oh. I see they've migrated over to Fortnite too. My parents work for Epic. Love your streams, man. Hey, thank you, Eric Dion, too, brother. Much love for that, man. He didn't have to. What game are you looking forward to playing? Probably Shadowlands, brother. One thing I have noticed is everyone's playing Volibear now in competitive play. I think my first Worlds Overwatch was when the Taipei Assassins won. Any other Lee Sin mains here? Who works at Riot? I love your wood, keep it up and have a good day. Thank you, Frank Lyon. Chew, brother. Yeah, Jungle Baby Lee Sin. Oh, chew. I tried to give Lee Sin a go. I think it all just comes down to just playing the champ more to get better with him. I wanted to try to get better with Lee, but you know those people, I've got 5 Smurfs in bronze too. I'm better than you. Stop playing Lee Sin. So hey, chew, brother. White Claw Chad, hey brother. Thank you for the sub along with unlisted artists. Much appreciated, guys. You didn't have to. Raid Shadow Legends. Joe, yeah brother, so you get a free one. The Red Bull video is awesome. Oh, I'm glad you like it. I had fun doing it. But yeah, the heroes I mainly play is Ornn. He's been a favourite since release. He's cool, Les. Galio. I've played Galio since release. Oh, when I started playing, sorry. Not since release. He's been out for ages. I started playing when Zed got released. Who else? Volibear, obviously. He was the first champ I bought. Jeez. Trying to remember who else I played. Ornn is overpowered. Oh, is he? Oh, I don't really care if he's meta or not. I just like him for the way he is. Killer Orcus, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. Do you like Ivan? Nah, not really. Main reason why I like Orn, one of the main reasons, he's a blacksmith. He just does his work, kind of like what I like to do. And my Chinese zodiac is a goat as well. I like Galio just for the way he is. Just in for the fights, loves to protect. South Alpha Lab. Yeah, probably play some more Lab today. How is the internet out there? Oh, I'm not even using the internet on our modem. It's just not that great. Yeah, I just like playing tanks, just running. Oh, and Brom's another one. I thought I was forgetting someone. Who else? Man, there's just so many. Seth, I've been liking him. He's like one of the newer ones, eh? So you are 29 in a few weeks. Black Sheep, thank you very much for the sub, buddy. Didn't have to. Do you ever like go to concerts before the pandemic? Yeah, brother. LAB was the last concert I went to. You watch High School, or God of High School? Yeah, I watched episode 8, the first episode I watched with the Izanuks. It's a bloody good anime, eh? The drunk guy is pretty cool. Ian, thank you very much for the sub, you didn't have to. When do you get fiber installed? Oh, when they figure out where they want to put the bloody cord. So it's from us and our auntie, who's our neighbour. Because we live in a unit, they want to try and put it through the middle of the fence, just so we both get it. Bro, episode 10 was lit. Yeah, well, no, I watched it with Thunder in them. Bro, that's mean. What is your iwi? Tūhoi and Te Arawa? Engari e tipu ai roto i te rohe pōtai o tūhoi. O te nuina o taku kia hanei, oranga. I tēnei wā kai rotorua hau e noho ana i tau tōku whānau. Engari he hononga kai konei i roto o te Arawa. TY for your godly content. Oh, hey. Cheers, brother. Hey, Nick. Cheers, brother. Great Jimmy Jam. Thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. No whaingaroa hau. Tēnā koe. Good to be here. Posture check. Okay, let me just do these bevels, brother. Man, it's a good day for washing. One posture check for the bro. Shout out Nick TV. Hey, thank you, Maya. Hey, it's Mix and Mix. Hello. Ooh. How are you on this fine day, Broxh? Oh, I'm good, brother. I'm good. Yeah, just chilling. Was a bit dusty yesterday, but I feel good today. So there's now. Do you often get cold hands? Yeah. I mean, I've carved when it's bloody storms outside, got numb hands. Just carry on in the midst of winter. But yeah, just carry on. You got on the spates. You get on the spates. Yeah, sometimes I haven't drunk in maybe a year so far. Definitely got to link up with you, Panda and Moda for one. Oh, and a hydrate. Okay. Will you do any WoW streams when I figure out how to stream through the stream pick? Hey. I'm at the king tanga right now. Oh, sure. There's that hydrate and pasta chick. That feels good though. Oppie Self, thank you very much for the... Did I say that right? OP Self, thank you very much. Oh, come on, bro. And not so. With 5 gifted subs, 5 too many, brother. Just remember, guys, you can look after your guys' selves. But much appreciated. Thank you very much. Yeah, buy you some food. Don't sub. Hold on. Can't stay long today. Just wanted to pop in and say thanks much for the raid the other day. Oh, all good. It's Mix and Max. Yeah, took me a while to figure out the raid thing, but we got there in the end. Hope you're well. Man, and you streamed for a long day, or a long time that day too. And then passed it on to just when COVID is over, I'm sure they'll be sorted out to come to PAX or something. Yeah, Nick, definitely keen to check out a PAX, I've never been off the North Island, brother. I've never travelled at all. Fardick, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to though. What else have you on? Frostmourne and Bath. Check out there. Oh. Let's get this out the way, these bevels. Where did you learn English? At primary school when I was 7. First time I learned English properly. English isn't my first language. Crispy Gilmore, thank you for the sub, man. Much appreciated, you didn't have to. Max, I was so excited to see Jacinda on your stream. Yeah. To take the love to just... Yeah, it was a bloody experience I'll remember for the rest of my life. Didn't think it ever happened. Wasn't really trying to make it happen, but it just did. Tea Earl Grey Hot. Thanks for gifting subs along with cinnamon as well. Henneman, you didn't have to though. And the Hunter Long. Cheer, brothers and sisters. And Sexy Pop Tart. Alright. Thank you, guys. Okay, where were we? Doing these bevels. If I had a random ass dream, I was working on a project and I'm not even into mechanics or any of that sort of stuff. Feels like I'm listening to almost well-like music at times. Hey, greedy. Cheer, P-dubs, you have a good one. The need and the really hit home. Everything has its own appeal, of course. Yeah, Daisy. Cozy stream. Oh, it might be warm for you guys. Okay, check out there. I love the study rule. Yeah, usually people that are saying, "Hi, I'm in school," we time them out. Tell them to go to class. Or ones that are studying. Did Auntie commission a carving for Parliament? Nah, she just come to meet me. But I was gonna offer her one of my carvings, but I was just so in awe of her I forgot. But I messaged her and told her next time, because she said she wants to meet again next time. I don't know when, but I told her I'm going to give her a carving just for free. I'm studying for a test right now. Oh, someone want to get timed out. Yeah, I know some people like to study and have the stream on in the background. What about teachers? Could you do her a little Matariki inspired piece? Yeah, probably. But I was gonna give her oh yeah, because she's gonna make Matariki a holiday. Good thinking there, Booing. I was just gonna give her one of my first pieces. Good thinking there, man. Greetings from Mexico, bro. Hello, Infinity, please. Jeez. Just need to grind. See how we go for now, otherwise I'm going to get the grinding stain. The star's what you want to make it to look. You can just do your normal like star if you want. Oh, I've got no piece of wood to do it on. Damn. Triple Killer and Barnley Gamer, thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. You actually don't have a piece to do it on. Yeah, I was thinking of doing a sharpening stream this weekend. Just a cool chill one, eh? That'll be cool. Nice chill sharpening stream. Do you sign your work when it's finished? Yeah, all the time. Usually put it on the back. I either put my initials or just Broxh. Icy Hydra and Jimbone. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. It's totally fine to come watch for free. Lex Tendo, thank you very much for the bits, man. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. Do you have an online shop? Nah, bro, I don't. The way I like to do things is just talk to the person. So my commission list is full. So I'm going to start talking to these 5 people soon about their pieces. Kia ora from Wellington, kei te pē hea koe. Kia ora kou banana, tēnā koe. Kei te pai hau engari, tino makariri I tēnei rā, engari kei te pai. Me haere tonu nā mahi. And I realised I was gifted a sub. Nice! Shot for saying thank you too. But I wanted to. Bloody no ears. Thank you though. Silent. Thank you for gifting a sub. A Viking Blob and Mod Black Stream. Love from North Dakota. Thank you guys for subbing. Much appreciated. Just remember, you don't have to. You can look after yourself. Still got that Rona out there. Sorry, I'm just making sure I don't bloody hit the camera. Owen the Hype Man, thank you for the sub along with Sir Ojos. Much appreciated, guys. Ooh, you didn't have to though. Ian the Prime, really awesome stuff, man. Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Don't worry about the green-eyed squawk. Just come and watch. That's all you have to do. What's more exciting, finishing or starting a carving? I would say the whole thing. Have you been watching any anime lately? Nah, just other than that, go to high school with the bros. I started at episode 8. I'm playing Hyrule Warriors. What's that bottle behind you? It's water. Thermal bottle thing. It's Mrs. Brox's. I'm just using it because I threw my jug out. Gotta get a new one because you know you have a water bottle for ages and you start tasting the plastic from the bottle. I think it overused it. Hello, Tom. Blue Cheese DK. Def92. Thank you for the sub, man. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, though. Where are you from? Gumbai. I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I feel like playing some kabaka. Hold on. Okay, let's get some poye. Oh, I think that'll be DMCA too. I'm talking about playing haka groups. Has anyone ever tried it? Someone should try it. Nah, surely we'll be allowed to play poye. Were they under a label at the time? Pāteri Māori Club? How do you fix your mistake? We don't call it a mistake, brother, we call it an adjustment. There's many different methods to fix like little accidents. I mean, if you like cut a whole entire section out here by mistake, you can always do an implant. If you do a little mistake here, you just put it on that side and incorporate it into your design. The ones that are usually spotted out are the carvers. Other than that, yeah, that's all good. You just carry on. Own it. Wait. I'm going to use that in quilting. Go hard, brother. Raptors and Celtics going into overtime. Who's winning? Who's up? Bob Ross of our generation. Oh, I don't know, brother. I don't think that's something I'll ever claim, because it's you guys that should say it, not me. Oh, I don't know. Oh, jeez. Nerdly. Thank you, bro. You didn't have to do that. Holy cow. 98, 98. Oh, damn. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a helicopter. Cryptics Live, thank you for the sub. What do I think of Quinn? Which one? 69 or 87? Mahala, thank you very much for the sub as well. They sounded really low. Yeah, they usually if they're that low they go to the hospital. Oh, 87, there he is. Chur Greeny, have a good one, brother. What do you think about the Warriors? I don't think about them at all. I'm not sure you call that the ghetto bird. Oh, true, brother. Watching you at school at Melbourne, is that in class, bro, or are you on lunch break? Hope it's on lunch break, brother. What's your favourite sport? Rugby. Help me out. Kita ana kurukuru hinano yotepo. Union, brother. Gravity, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. All these this one was for fun. This one, but someone asked for it as a commission piece now. So yeah. Hello, the OG Spiral Knight. Cheer, brother. Do you watch any other streamers? Yeah, heaps. fucking money badger. 2 months, bro. Hey, much love, brother. Thank you for that. Badger, you didn't have to do that, brother, at all. All good. Thoughts on All Black selection? Oh, I didn't even watch it. How's the weather over there? Ah, it's cold, brother. Normal. What's that? Hello, Cheetah. Hello, Cheetah. How are you, brother? I was just trying to see what everyone's talking about. What's this new piece gonna be? Poupou, war panel, brother. Ever get into other games apart from WoW? Yeah, PlayStation. Like, you know, Crash Bandicoot, Ghost of Tsushima, Tony Hawk's since it's been re-released. Other games on PC, play League of Legends here and there, not that much though. Not really that consistent. First time I saw the hooker was at R&V. Oh, true, brother. How many wood pieces have you done on stream? Off stream, so and when do you start this? Oh, when one's finished. I don't really. Are you too hoi? Yeah, bro. I'm from Ruatahuna. Ooh. Number 2. Poupou. Hey brother, where about you in? Whereabouts am I? Where do I live? Rotorua? If that's what you mean, brother. Can't wait for a league stream. I'll probably never stream that game though. I don't enjoy it that much. It's okay, but I know. Cheer, Junior. Cheer, brother. Heal. League is kind of toxic. Yeah, that's pretty much one of the reasons why I don't really enjoy it. Too much chiefs in there. They think they know how to play the game better than everyone else. My father's from the north. Oh, true. Tēnā koe, brother. Love your work from Macedonia. Hey, brother. Damn, that's a far way. Hello to Tech Zero and Tech Zero and Shreya, sis boss? True, bro. Oh, sis. I just saw sis in the name just in case, eh? Ko te noho puku. Da. Hey bro, how are you? I'm all good, bro. Yeah, hunger's starting to kick in, but With the fast in the morning. First kai of the day. After stream. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I don't want to attempt because I might say it wrong. Sorry, my bro. Love your work from Philadelphia. Oh, true. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing when bringing culture into sports like that. Oh, I just love seeing culture being represented in all aspects, I would say. It's cool to see. You do not want you to starve. Oh, it's all good, bro. I usually fast when I'm dieting anyway. Oh shit, it's past 12 o'clock. Feels like living. I'm pretty keen to go stream in Hobbiton, eh? Just gotta sort it, eh? Set it all up. Can't stop singing. Yeah, I seen that comment before, bro. I don't want to pronounce it because I might get it wrong. Please try not to post repetitive comments. Oh god, that would be amazing. Yeah. So I'm just gonna try and figure it all out first. Me and Mrs. Broxh are going mini putt this weekend. I might stream it just so I can show you that I'm gonna destroy her. She wants to get these hands. Go Rory McIlroy on her and mini putt. How does your phone battery survive these streams? Battery saver, brother. Yeah, she's gonna get these hands. Next minute, I lose. But I can't see that happening because I never hold back whatever we do competitively for the win. The only time I go for the win is against Mrs. Broxh. Horde, brother, all the time. Michelle, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. Oh, double overtime now. I see that here flick. Oh, you missed one earlier. Oh yes, Sergeant Suicide. So me and Mrs. Broxh are planning to go mini putt this weekend. And I'm going to show no mercy. How's the family? They're good. Yeah, all good. Good visit anyway, brother. Where would it be? Oh, I don't even know myself. Saving up for a flicky. What am I making? So this is called a Poupou. Welcome if this is your first time tuning in. So I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and we're the native people to Aotearoa, and this is something that I have a big love and passion for. I'd choose this over any bloody job. Well, I pretty much have. I did this as a job, which was fun. Went to an institute to upskill. So I'm just straightening these up before I come back to the chat. Sorry if I'm missing comments. Buddha Buddy and McKinney, thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to though, it's all good just to watch. Broxh, what are your tribes? Tūhoe and Te Arawa, Ngāti Pukio. But I was raised, oh come on birds. I was raised in Tūhoe majority of my life. And then I moved when I was 17 to Rotorua to go to boys high school. And to learn my nan's whakapapa on this side. Yep. Have you always had long hair? My wife seems to think my youngest will deal with bullying since he has long hair to keep his native roots. Yeah. I mean, I know a lot of people that have had long hair. Well, they still have their long hair today because it's part of our culture. I mean, someone tried to touch my hair back in high school and I dropped them. So I don't like people touching my hair. What was the first piece you ever carved? I did a wakahuia, which is like a treasure box or a feather ball. Yeah. And I still have it. Yeah, I don't like people touching my hair. I remember the person that done it thought it was funny. And yeah. Because the head to the Maori people is the most sacred part of your body, along with your hair as well. And reason why it holds all your knowledge, pretty much all the teachings you exposed to throughout your life. And it's the closest body part to the heavens as well. That's why it's one of the most sacred parts of our body. So I don't like people touching my hair. I got my granddad to cut it off. Oh, true. Here's the donation button. Don't have one. Hold on, Father. Katahio kanoho kamana. Katahira kowehe. My Hayes Vera, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to though. Too, brother, no man. Do you ever incorporate original designs to your carving? Is it all the carving work you purely traditional Maori designs? Yeah, pretty much. I don't make up my own designs. I mean, you can, but I choose not to because pretty much the designs our ancestors have passed down have been the ones we are taught. And yeah, I like them. I love them. You can create your own designs in contemporary, but they will still have the remnants of a traditional design. Because you deserve it. No, I don't know. Do you get splinters? Nah, not at all. So that's done. Yeah, feels good. Just making sure it's on center. Tukua maite. Wonder if I can try and fit a face in here. Maybe. I reckon it would be good if we could fit something in here. Let me just have a quick draw in. So I'll see what I can do in here. To my hyporewa. So just seeing if I can fit a malaya in here. Now malaya can usually depicts the face of a bird and the body of a man. Red Paradox and .com? Oh yeah, two brothers. He didn't have to do that at all. But thank you. But just remember to look after you guys selves too. I'm just seeing if I can fit something in here. At the moment it's looking quite good. What time is it at your people's places? Like the time? It's 1:35 PM in the afternoon if you're asking the time of our country, brother. Sometimes I just say daytime, lunchtime. When are you gonna do singing streams? Oh, I just gotta get better internet and a mic thingy. And from there we should be good. Okay. Oh, that's not the arm was allowed to do. I literally joined Twitch to see your live streams. Hey, Maiden Oz. Cheer, brother. Thanks for that, bro. You like it though? Do you enjoy it? Or is it anything you like at all? Are you hopeful Shadowlands? Yeah, bro. Firefox, thank you for the bits, man. You didn't have to though. Oh god. Why are you gonna be anonymous? Thank you, Mr. Anonymous, for the gifted. You didn't have to though. Will I get sick of saying this? Hell no. Will I stop saying it? Hell no. Will you listen? Probably not. Thank you, man. Just gotta figure out how we're gonna do that. Hey, there he is too, brother. Just can we get some cheer? There is an accent to check. Hey, even though you're probably already gonna do it. Should I do a body? I don't know. I mean, it'll be hard to fit it in. But toki e rua o te rua mano. The real lunatic and victorious. Cheer, brothers. You didn't have to sub, bros. It's all good just to watch it. Like, sweet ass, brothers. Supernova, thank you very much for subbing as well. Didn't have to though. At all. Just saying. Ooh, I feel it everywhere. Do you have any experience in tattoo? Nah, I mean I could transition to it, but I choose not to. Man, I miss home a lot. Can't wait to come back after Corona is finished. Yeah. I would say it's gonna be, what, maybe another year. I'm not sure, eh? I heard they're trying to like develop a bloody serum. I was like, damn, stay away from that. Did Projects Hoha. Hey, what did he do? Hang on, I just gotta get my jacket and get it covered. Okay, we are back. Sorry, I was getting cold. Ooh. Just told Mrs. Broxh about how I was telling you guys I'm gonna destroy her at mini golf. She goes, we gotta take the baby too. So yeah, I'll destroy her as well. Hey, it's Turua. Cheer, Albatross. The Unreal Quilter, thank you very much for the gifted as well. We didn't have to. Doing my grocery run to Broxh. Actual Vulcan, what are you grabbing now? Run us through what you're doing. Surely some pulse cookies. Yeah, they're going, oh yeah, we'll bring baby, cool. Someone else to destroy. Wonder if my sister-in-law wants to come. Everyone will get destroyed by myself. You're gonna use your hammer and the putter. Wait, we have a raffle? Oh, early years in Hawaii. Cheer, cousin. Ipi him the great. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Do you like to keep everything traditional? Yeah, man. Because the most beautiful pieces are the traditional ones. The oldest of the old, eh? As Wheelie would say on Transformers. What is this song about? It's about riding horses down Maraenui. So they used to have like barrel racing and all that. Taika Woods. Trust you to say that. They're sending those shoes too, bro. I have no idea what's so good about them, but will I wear them? I don't even know myself. But they seem cool. Where does your tradition originate from? What do you mean? Like traditional carving or just carving? If that's what you mean, from the sea. A loud ass chill. Ready? Chill! Was that loud enough? Did you get a fright? I try to keep it as quiet as I could. Let's go. Whakairo go get him, you say less. Bruh, I jumped. That would have woke up our viewers, our early morning viewers, eh? Aragara, kite matua tagata, murue, taurue, tokurie. There you go. Oh, te aroha, e kai ki no nei aho, te no mai roa, e hai hai nei, taku tīra. Lou Quinn, Hazika 2009 and Shawarma God. Hey, have you guys tried shawarma? There's a nice shawarma joint not too far from here. I see where you got that name from. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. Just up the road in Hamilton. Hey, cheer, brother. Jeez, how's Hamilton with lockdown, brother? Good night, Jack. Good night, Golden. Shawarma is great. I've never tried it. Get high for that yell. Sorry if anyone was drinking water, champagne, whatever it may be, pot plant water, and you got a fright and spat it out. Chocolate milk, apology. You can probably tell from my name, but I love shawarma. Cheers, brother. I've actually. What is shawarma, bro? Why Google it when I can ask you? Shawarma. So, like, what is shawarma? I've only heard of it from, like, Avengers. Good. That's a wrap. Oh, nice. As a kebab. Oh, okay. Yeah. I see these now. Kebab meat, you know. Big skewers. Yeah, I see these now. Man, our rap sounds really nice right about now. Damn you, chat. Cortera, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. Tortera? Please stop, I'm getting hungry. Yeah, that sounds yum. I think I'm gonna have couscous for lunch, maybe a bit of lemon. Some leftovers from last night, can't go wrong. Do you carve the Christmas roast? Oh, I can. Easy. We don't have roast because it's in the summer, we have barbies. I got leftovers too. Let's go. Pizzaroo, thank you very much for the sub. Didn't have to. Hey Nick, man, leveling a warrior is painful. I'm thinking of transferring my Arugor warrior. He's level 30. I got a shaman and a hunter. I was tempted to play a rogue on classic, but I don't think I want to go down that rabbit hole. And now the shawarma talk got me wanting more food. Yeah, me too, brother. Oh, level 11. Oh, true. I'm like level 9 on my warrior. I thought I had to get to 20. Bro, shawarma sounds mean. Are you a Weet-Bix kid? I mean, I used to eat 14, so yeah, Weet-Bix lad. Oh, sweet ass, brother. Only if you don't mind. RFC. I'm ordering some shawarma. Okay, now to everyone that may be watching, if you guys are ordering shawarma, make sure you take a photo and tag me on Twitter. You're awesome, man. Thank you, Arctic Fluffy Boy. Cheers, brother. That's half the box. Oh, nah, we used to get the big ones. How old was I? Like 12. She's in her 60s. Oh, that's cool. I know someone who's almost 55 that still plays WoW. I was like, bro, that's cool. Take photos and tag Broxh saying, Chur the Isanux. Yeah, so if you're having shawarma, you gotta tag me. I wanna see these. Haven't played anything like WoW before. I'm interested. Is it worth starting? You can play it for free, bro. Like right up to level 20, so you can try it before you even think about getting it. It's a nice feature. Much love from the UK. Good to see someone else who's interested in their culture and share the same cultural ancestors. Our two nations have been cousins for a long time. Hey, Jordan. Also, shawarma slaps. Wow, it's addictive. I just like leveling, eh? And the law, man. Oh. So, like, with covenants and shit, I don't really give a crap about, like, meta and that. I'm all about the story, eh? Like, it's tempting to go to Arden more just to carry on with Vol'jin, but I'm sure I know what's gonna happen. So I was thinking of going to Maldraxxus. 'Cause Oh, truly, Nara. What are you playing? What class? For pre-interview nerves, well, I can't help you, bro. I had like 3 nervous cramps when Jacinda came, so I don't know, maybe once you're in there they'll go away. Forget away. Finally get to catch him live here from the US. Hey, Barosaurus. Yeah. So it's Arden World tomorrow, eh? Oop. Go the other way. Do more, I've done more PvE, but I want to get into PvP now, like arenas in it. But it sucks because I don't really like much of the selection to play on Alliance. That's why Lucky Panda's on that side. They're pretty much the only race that I play on Alliance. Panda. Have fun. Cheers, Sergeant Suicide. Have a good sleep. I'm my bro. Maori language, we came to wiki too, my name. I didn't even know what the heps is. I think I'll just stream as usual. Share some reo here and there with the whānau that's watching. Be good to see who gets it. I'm just here to, walk together strong. Toasted McMuffin, or I would say rep, yeah. 11 thank yous for existing. Yeah. Have you got a bit of mahi in mind to do, bro? Like a beat? Or you just gonna, just make beats as you go along? Hey, slow cooker. Much love, Wolf Yon. Not sure, a couple ideas. Oh, shit, too much. Yeah, I'm gonna teach everyone how to do a haka. Come on, there. Drew Y1321. Thank you very much for subbing. You didn't have to, brother. Kia ora from Dunedin, my bro. Have a mean ass day. Chew. No, Mickey, brother. Drewy, thank you very much for the sub as well. You didn't have to. Sub goal haka win. Why does it have to be a sub goal when I'm just gonna teach you anyway? Next week.